SDL's state-of-the-art Neural Machine Translation (NMT) is now accessible to all SDL Trados Studio users through our seamless integrations with SDL Machine Translation. Available in over 130 neural language pairs, SDL Machine Translation provides high-quality, instant translation results from our secure cloud. This video will show you how to connect to SDL Machine Translation whilst working in SDL Trados Studio, the different ways in which you can work with and receive machine translation results, and how to access your machine translation account to view your subscription package. To access SDL Machine Translation in Studio, you need to have logged in to your Language Cloud account with your SDL account credentials, as your SDL Machine Translation account and your Language Cloud account are linked. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to do so before you can add SDL Machine Translation to your project. You can add SDL Machine Translation to your project during project creation or by accessing your project settings. You can access your project settings here. You can add a machine translation provider in the same place that you add your translation memories. Select Use, then SDL Language Cloud from the drop-down menu. In this screen, you can see that SDL Machine Translation has automatically recognized your language pair and that you are connected to a neural machine translation model. Select OK to add NMT to your project. Once added, you will see that SDL Language Cloud appears in your list of resources, along with any translation memories you have chosen. When there are no results from your translation memory, you will be provided an automatic machine translation result for the whole segment, which you can then post-edit as necessary. You can see that this is indicated with an NMT icon in this column. If you prefer, you can turn this off and instead work with machine translation suggestions as you translate. These are offered to you through a feature called Auto-Suggest, which works like predictive typing. To stop whole segments being translated, you need to amend your settings. This time, go to File, Options, Editor, Automation, and untick Apply Automated Translation when no TM result is found. You can also pre-translate the whole file with machine translation. Then all you have to do is post-edit the result until you are happy. To pre-translate your file with machine translation, go to Batch Tasks, Pre-translate Files. Click Next in the Batch Processing Wizard to get to the Settings page. Select Apply Automated Translation when no match found at the bottom of the window, and then Finish. As you can see, all the remaining segments have now been populated with NMT results. All Studio users receive a free 500,000 NMT character subscription per month per account. You can view how much of your subscription you have used in your machine translation account. To access your account, select your name in the top right-hand corner of Studio and then SDL Account. This takes you to a browser. In the browser, click on your initials in the top right-hand corner to manage your account. At the bottom of this page, you will see a link you can click on to view your SDL Machine Translation subscription. Log in to your SDL Machine Translation account with your SDL account credentials. You are now in your SDL Machine Translation account. In the Reports tab, you can see your account's usage summary and how many free NMT characters you have used. If you are on a paid subscription, you can also see when your subscription is due to expire. You can connect to SDL machine translation through SDL Trados Studio as just shown. You can also work with SDL machine translation when working in the cloud with SDL Trados Live, our new translation, project management and revision environment. To find out more about working in the cloud, watch our SDL Trados Live video. Plus, you can translate with SDL machine translation directly through your SDL machine translation account.